The largest community in the South that offers holistic and healthy lifestyle has opened its phase 2 and now on pre-selling. Gusto mo bang mag-invest sa condominium with highly strategic location, wide range of amenities, and vast open spaces? 36% of capital appreciation, and multi-development awarded. This is the Bloom Residences in Sucat, Parañaque. Don't worry, because in this vlog, pag-uusapan natin ang mga frequently asked questions about Bloom Residences and is it worth it to invest? This is Facts na Fact, frequently asked questions na kailangan ng tumpak na pak na sagot. Hi everyone, it's Rochelle Ardan, International Property Specialist of SMDC and one of the angels of Team Aja Elite. Alam niyo ba na ang Bloom Residences ay isa sa mga top-selling projects ni SMDC? It is because of its size na 32 square meters, 2-bedroom with balcony, maa-avail niyo na siya for 4.5M only and 13,000 per month. Kahit mag-search pa kayo sa internet or i-check niyo yung ibang mga projects dito sa Metro Manila, mapi-figure out niyo talaga na sobrang worth it ng Bloom Residences. Imagine 13,000 per month lang, 2-bedroom with balcony na. Alam ko na gusto niyong pumunta sa Bloom Residences para mag-site tour, kaya I did that for you. You can watch this video and makikita niyo yung construction update inside the site development plan of Bloom Residences. Hi everyone, it's Angel Rochelle, International Property Specialist of SMDC under Team Aja Elite, and for today, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung construction update ng Bloom Residences. So right now, nandito tayo sa Tower B and I will show to you yung pagpasok natin hanggang sa mga sample units natin. Ayan, so akyat tayo ng 16th floor. Gusto ko lang makapunta sa pinakataas ng Tower A. So, please, as of now, ready for occupancy na yung Tower A and B natin. And parang almost 200 na din yung na-turn over dito sa Bloom Residences. There are few na nag-start na ng kanilang rental business. This is your possible view. Kinakabahan ako. Anuhin siya. Ayan. So, ito yung ating amenity area ng Tower A and B. This is the fire exit. Anong view sa baba? Oh, okay. So, medyo mataas. Makikita nyo dito. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, ayan yung ating skyway. Tapos ayun yung Laguna de Bay. We also have fire extinguisher right here for the client's safety and bawat unit. So, I think itong mga may fire extinguisher, may nakatira na dito sa unit nila. So, bawat unit owners dito or bawat room dito is nire-require na magkaroon ng fire extinguisher. Kaya I'm sure na yung may mga fire extinguisher na nadaanan natin, may nakatira na dun sa unit na yun, like itong isang to. So, ayun. Baba na ulit tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ating ground floor. Ground floor or amenity floor. So, tapos parang for me, malaki na yung space ng ano nito. Medyo mahaba siya dahil sa personal. Makikita nyo. Ayan. Yung ating elevator area. Ayan yung ating basement parking. Ito na yung ating amenity area ng Tower A and B. So, as you can see, talagang madami siyang halaman. So, it's like a garden. Kaya rin siya tinawag siguro na Bloom Residences because this project is a nature-inspired building. Parang resort siya. Ayan, may gazebo, may lounges. You can stay here with your friends and families. This is the pool area. So, kitang-kita nyo na nakatayo na rin yung mga building. Tapos, meron na rin tayong pool area, may parking na rin tayo, and ready na yung property management natin for turnover. And as of now, marami na rin na turnover dito sa Bloom Residences. Ngayon naman po, pag-usapan natin ang quick project overview ng Bloom Residences. The selling point of this project is that it is strategically located at the exit and entrance of Skyway in Sucat, Parañaque, which makes it very close to the airport. Na 20 minutes away lang, makakapunta na kayo dito. Actually, para sa mga naghahanap ng studio or one-bedroom unit dito sa Bloom Residences, hindi natin siya makikita kasi ang available lang po dito ay mga 2-bedroom units. Para malaman nyo yung unit specifications or lahat ng project overview, pwede nyo ring panoorin yung vlog namin about sa Bloom Residences under this video. Also, marami nagtatanong kung ano ba yung difference ng Phase 1 and Phase 2 ng Bloom Residences. Actually, wala naman masyadong pinagkaiba dito. dito, kundi yung payment scheme lang din and tower floors niya. Dahil sa phase 1, meron lang tayong 15 floor per tower, samantalang sa phase 2, meron tayong 22 floors per tower. Nag-start na po ang turnover ng mga units ng clients natin this February ng 2023. And as of now, may successful 200 turnover na tayo ng mga clients. And there are more than 4,000 active purchase from this project. Samantalang yung phase 2 natin, kaka-launch lang nito nitong August, and ang estimated turnover talaga nito is second quarter of 2029. Actually, makikita nyo na sobrang successful ng phase 1 natin. Kaya meron tayong phase 2. And ganun din siya, fast-moving project din siya. Kaya I highly suggest that you position a unit now at Bloom Residences. So now, hindi ko napapatagalin ang video na to, kundi sasagutin na natin yung mga frequently asked questions about Bloom Residences. Number 1. Mas maganda bang mag-invest sa phase 1 kaysa sa phase 2 ng Bloom Residences? Actually, parehas naman silang maganda. The amenities it offers is sobrang laki and complete din siya. It has more than 17 amenity plans, making it like a resort, making it one of the biggest competitors in the area when it comes to rentals. The size is perfect for its price. Location-wise, check din kasi nga ang selling point natin dito is malapit siya sa airport. And as we all know, yung mga clients natin and target market, they rather stay in a condotel na pwedeng rentahan or stay kaysa mag-travel sila ng sobrang layo. Lalo na kung yung flight nila is madaling araw or late na ng gabi. Actually, wala naman masyadong pinagkaiba yung phase 1 and phase 2 kasi parehas na nasa site development plan lang din naman sila. So, accessible din lahat yung amenities natin, kung ano yung amenities sa Tower 1, yung mga clients natin na nakatira doon, pwede rin silang magkaroon ng access to other towers. So, lahat pwede nyong gamitin. Number 2, anong pinagkaiba ng pricing scheme ng phase 1 and phase 2? So, for our clients or kung gusto mo talagang mag-invest sa condominium, of course, alamin nyo muna kung ano ba yung need natin. Is it pre-selling or ready for occupancy? So, kapag RFO or ready for occupancy, ito yung mga project or building na nakatayo na and pwede na ring tirhan after makomplete yung mga requirements na need for turnover. Then, basically, kapag pre-selling, ito yung mga projects na hindi pa rin siya nakatayo, fully built, or under construction pa. So, magwe-wait pa tayo ng few months, sometimes few years para matayo yung building. Phase 1, Tower 1 and 2 are ready for occupancy and the rest of the towers will turn over na rin in the following months. Samantalang yung phase 2 natin, turnover nito is 2029. Both of the phases has its own advantages. If gusto nyo ng ready for occupancy or yung magamit nyo na kaagad for Airbnb rentals, I highly suggest na bilhin nyo yung nasa phase 1 natin na ready for occupancy. Yun nga lang, yung inventory natin sa phase 1 is paubos na. So, if you really want to invest in Bloom Residences phase 1, I highly suggest na you contact us para makasecure kayo ng unit. So, kapag dito tayo sa phase 1, yung down payment lang na nire-require sa atin para maka-move in is around 220,000 pesos. And makaka-move in ka na agad in 4 to 6 months. So, technically, yung 200,000 natin, ayun yung magiging capital natin para makapag-move in tayo and makapag-start tayo ng Airbnb rentals dito sa Bloom Residences. Samantalang sa phase 2 naman na pre-selling, makukuha mo siya sa longest payment term, kaya makukuha mo rin yung lowest monthly down payment na 13,000 only. So, yung 13,000 na yon, payable yon in 63 months with zero interest. So, take note na maganda ring mag-invest sa pre-selling kasi makukuha mo yung lowest monthly down payment. And aside from that, makakapili ka rin ng units na gusto mo kasi nga marami pang available sa inventory. So, ayun, kailangan nyo ring i-weigh kung ano ba yung mga needs nyo because if I will weigh kung ano bang mas maganda, phase 1 or phase 2, I think both of it has its own advantage and it's up to you kung ano ba yung mas need nyo sa ngayon. Number 3, totoo bang malapit to sa airport at hindi masyado traffic sa paligid nito? Yung traveling time nyo from Bloom Residences to airport is only 20 minutes away if gagamit kayo ng exit or entrance of the Skyway. Actually, sobrang lapit lang talaga ng Bloom Residences sa Skyway as in kahit walking distance, wala pang 3 minutes nandun na kayo sa may entrance and exit of the Skyway. And because of that, malapit tayo sa Skyway, accessible din tayo sa central business districts of the Philippines like sa Makati, sa Mall of Asia, and sa mga nearby city na malapit dito sa Parañaque. And aside from that, makikita nyo sa project overview ni Bloom Residences na ang lapit lang nito sa mga SM malls, schools or universities, medical facilities, entertainment, and business hubs. Number 4. Sobrang laki ng Bloom Residences. Mahirap pang maglakad from the entrance to Phase 1, lalo na sa Tower 1 and 2. Actually, not everyone knows this and hindi nyo siya makikita sa project presentation, pero meron tayong pathway sa entrance papunta sa ating Phase 1. Para siyang underground pathway directly to the tower para hindi po kayo maglakad ng sobrang layo. Pero as of now, hindi pa rin siya open sa public and it's still under construction. Kaya don't worry kasi kahit na sobrang laki ng Bloom Residences, they made sure na it is very accessible to our clients, especially doon sa mga kids, sa mga adults, sa mga lola and lolas natin, or yung mga PWDs who will live here. Talagang big community siya kasi ito nga yung largest community in the South na ina-offer ni SMDC. It promotes healthy and holistic lifestyles to our clients, kaya ang dami ring recreational activities na pwedeng gawin inside the place. Meron tayong palm court, meron tayong jog path, and sobrang daming swimming pools dito sa Bloom Residences. And that's it for the construction update and frequently asked questions about Bloom Residences. If gusto nyong malaman yung complete project overview, you can click the link in this video below para makita nyo kung ano pa yung mga important details about this. So that's it guys! I hope this video helped you to decide whether to invest or not in Bloom Residences. Don't forget to click the notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye! Wide range of amenities and vast open 36% capital appreciation. Alam nyo ba na ang Bloom Residence it is because if 1, 2, 3 go. It is because 1, 2, 3 go. It is because of its size na 32. Anong ginagawa nila sa labas?
Sila.
May ice cream!